Ever had someone back away while you're talking? You check your breath, and it smells like something died in your mouth? You blame the garlic rice you had earlier, but days later, the stench is still there, and now you feel something weird stuck in your throat. What are tonsil stones? Meet the uninvited guest living in your throat. Tonsil stones. These little calcified clumps form when food particles, dead cells, and bacteria get trapped in the crevices of your tonsils. And yes, they smell as nasty as they sound. Symptoms to watch for. Tonsil stones don't just sit there. They cause problems. Bad breath, chronic cough, sore throat, ear pain, and even difficulty swallowing. The worst part? Most people don't even know they have them. How to get rid of them? Good news, you can remove them. Use a water flosser, gargle with warm salt water, or gently dislodge them with a cotton swab. And sometimes, a strong cough does the trick. Prevention is key. Want to keep them from coming back? Stay hydrated, maintain good oral hygiene, gargle regularly, and check your tonsils for early signs. Prevention is easier than dealing with the smell later. Heads up, don't let tonsil stones hijack your breath and health. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video so others don't fall victim to this nasty surprise.